Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha and on India's eastern arm, a city important for commerce and religion. Holding in its embrace a historical and religious legacy that is hundreds of years old. Named after Tribhuvaneshwar or Lord Shiva, Bhubaneswar has also kept pace with changing times. Straddling a rich heritage of over 700 temples and developing as a city for trade and commerce. But now Bhubaneswar is in the grip of election fever. Aparajita Sarangi is the sitting MP of the BJP from Bhubaneswar and the BJP is betting on her for the second time. Motivating party workers is the key for Aparajita in this election because on the ground it is the party workers who will ensure a good turnout at the polling booths.
It's a do and die situation.
Bhubaneswar had been a traditional BJD seat, but it was Sarangi who snatched this seat from BJD in 2019, making a mark for herself in the Saffron Party and in the politics of Odisha.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is extremely popular in Odisha. A couple of days back he had come to Chandikhol, a place in Jajpur district, not very far from Bhubaneswar. And I had the opportunity of being there. And I could see the admiration in the eyes of the people for Prime Minister Modi. And the crowd was jubilant. 3 lakh crowd jubilant, and they were all excited when they saw Prime Minister Modi. So I think I can say with all conviction at my command that the people of Odisha want the governance model of Prime Minister Modi in Odisha.
But recently, Aparajita was in the news as a member of ethics committee that expelled TMC leader Mahua Moitra.
Whatever happened should not have happened. And she invited the trouble because she did not mend her ways. And you know, I mean, as a parliamentarian, you have to follow certain rules and regulations.
Announcing his entry into election arena is Manmath Rautre from the BJD, confident that he will snatch the prestigious seat of Bhubaneswar back from the BJP.
All I want to say is she has no interest. You can be from anywhere. When Odisha has accepted you, respected you, they gave you a chance. And you should have respected them back, you know. But she didn't try to understand the culture, she didn't read our history.
Manmath is the son of 6-time Congress MLA Suresh Rautrai. A pilot by profession, Manmath decided to leave Congress and contest here on a BJD ticket. His father was suspended from Congress when he started campaigning for Manmath. Though Manmath's elder brother Siddharth is contesting on a Congress ticket in the Vidhan Sabha elections. The family tensions are also an issue in these elections.
The family divided on the party line?
No. See, I'm very happy that we both have returned. He stayed in, he was in America, I was in Bombay for about 20 years in Air India. So we both have returned. We have our own thought process, we have our own circle.
Bhubaneswar Lok Sabha has 7 Vidhan Sabha seats. In 2019, BJD won 6 seats and Congress has 1 sitting MLA. But will voters vote differently this time?
सुरक्षा ही सबसे बड़ा मेजर इशू है हाँ सो इट नीड्स टू बी फोकस्ड ऑन दैट
अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट में आपका इन्फ्लेशन है सब कुछ है
जब से हम लोग इधर से आए देखा तो ये बहुत पुराना था अभी तो पूरा इतना डेवलपमेंट हुआ है मतलब बोलो ही मत तो नवीन पटनायक तो बहुत अच्छा है
तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे यहाँ थोड़े बहुत कंपनी से भी आ रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं कि आईटी अभी बन रहा है हब बन रहा है ये पर लग रहा है अभी भी वो टाइम है अभी
Till 1977, Bhubaneswar was a traditional Congress seat, but post-emergency, the mood in the country changed and this was reflected in the way Bhubaneswar voted. Since 1977, this Lok Sabha seat either voted the CPM or the Congress. And it was in 1998 that BJD managed to make Bhubaneswar seat its stronghold. But riding the Modi wave in 2019, the BJP played spoiler for the BJD in this hot seat of Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar is the political epicenter of Odisha. The fate and the future
of the state is decided in this city. Winning the Lok Sabha seat from here is symbolic in the power game. Last elections, BJP snatched this seat from BJD and gave a message of its expanding support base in the state. This time, Biju Janata Dal would have to work harder to get this seat back. In Bhubaneswar, with cameraman Ashok Mahale, this is Sikta Deo for NDTV.